Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vani. As we were discussing about the division right so far. So today under the division we are going to discuss about the division by teens. Teens means what? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So whatever may be the teen, like whatever may be the number like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, you can do it the division by in an easy way with only the one trick. It will be useful for all the numbers. Clear? So it will be very helpful for you all. So watch the video till the end. And so far as we observe, everyone are watching the videos in the channel, but you people are not subscribing us. So please do subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe the channel, you are not going to miss the content. Clear? So to get the notifications up to date, please do subscribe the channel. Clear? So shall we start our session? So today what we are going to discuss about? We are going to discuss about division by teens. Division by teens. Teens means what? 12, 13, 14, so on up to 19. See, in this video I am going to tell about the division by 12 first, and this division can be done without using a table only. Clear? We are not going to use any 12 table, 13 table, 14 table, any table we are not going to use over here. But then also we are going to do it within 2 to 5 seconds. Clear? 5 to 6 seconds. Hardly 5 to 6 seconds we are going to take it to do the division. So first we will see a general method how we are going to do the division over there. Clear? So the first example I am taking here is 498 divided by 12. So we'll see the examples of the 12 over in this video. So you people try for the 13, 14, 15, 16 so far. If you get any doubts over there, you can comment me. I'm here to help you out with the next step. Clear? So now 12 table. You're supposed to know 12 table, right? So right beside 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. So we should know this table to do the division over here, right? So now for 12. 4 and 9 you have to take 49. So here at how many times you are going to get the 49 over here? At 12 fives is 60, but 12 fours is 48. So which one we are supposed to take? 12 fours are 48. So 1, bring this 8 down. Okay. Then next 12 twos is 24. 12 ones is what? 12 ones is 12. And your remainder is what? 6. Your quotient is 41 and the remainder is 6. So it is little time consuming and you are supposed to know the table compulsory to do it, right? But whatever the trick today I am telling you, right? That without using any 12 table you are going to do it. Clear? And it will be easy. You can do it by 4 to 5 to 6 seconds. Clear? If you get practice, if you do practice continuously, then only the perfection can be done. See, as I am saying from the beginning, practice. Without practice, you are unable to do anything. So, practice is important in the maths. Clear? Practice the method by using different number of examples over there. Clear? Now, see. Now, see the trick behind the 12. So, first of all, you should write 4, 9, 8 like this separately. Okay? Like this you are supposed to write. Now, 12. See 12, right? So here in the tens place we are having 1. That one we are taking it as minus 2 will take. Okay, how we are taking? Minus 2 we are going to consider it. Clear? See, follow the steps clearly how I am writing it. Now 4 as it is I am writing over down. Clear? The first digit should be written as it is. Okay, then multiply these two. Minus 2 fours are 8. 8, 1. Okay, next minus 2, 1, minus 2 ones are 2, 8 minus 2, 6. So what is your quotient over here? 41. Remainder over here is what? 6. Is it easy? Within how many seconds I have done this method? See, by using a trick of teens trick, we have done it by just within 5 to 6 seconds, right? You're supposed to know the method how to do it. See, I have taken this 1 as a minus. So 2 it has become, first digit has to be written same as it is. So 2 4s are 8. Minus is there, so minus 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 1s are 2. 8 minus 2, 6. The first 2 digits are a quotient and the last digit is a remainder. Clear? Quotient is 41, remainder is 6. So you suppose if you are having a 13 table over there, then you are supposed to take minus 3. If you are having a 14 table over there, then minus 4. 19 means minus 9. Rest all, like 17 minus 7 you have to take here and you are supposed to do the method. Clear? You practice with some other numbers and try it and comment too. Clear? Then if you are having any doubts in it, I am going to clear it. Clear? So I think so this method is very clear. It is clear to you all. So practice. Only the thing you have to do is you are supposed to practice the problems. If you practice the same trick with different numbers, like here I have taken a 3-digit number. Even we can take a 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit number also over there. Clear? But the method is same for all the digits. So you can try with a number of other examples and then comment. Okay? Stay tuned to the Vani Vision and follow up and do subscribe.